What are you doing? Jigsaw puzzles?
Charlie, what time is it?
11:30.
New York?
Hmm?
I said, what time is it in New York?
11:30.
At night?
Mm-hmm. Bulldog's just gone to press.
Well, hooray for the bulldog. Gee, 11:30. Shows are just getting up. People are going to nightclubs and restaurants. Of course, we're different because we live in a palace.
You always said you wanted to live in a palace.
Oh, a person could go crazy in this dump. Nobody to talk to, nobody to have any fun with.
Susan.
49,000 acres of nothing but scenery and statues. I'm lonesome.
Till just yesterday, we've had no less than 50 of your friends at any one time. I think if you look carefully in the West Wing, Susan, you'll find about a dozen vacationers still in residence.
You make a joke out of everything. Charlie, I want to go to New York. I'm tired of being a hostess. I want to have fun. Please, Charlie. Charlie, please.
Our home is here, Susan. I don't care to visit New York. What are you doing? Oh, one thing I never can understand, Susan. How do you know you haven't done it before?
Makes a whole lot more sense than collecting statues.
You may be right. I sometimes wonder. But you get into the habit.
It's not a habit. I do it because I like it.
I thought we might have a picnic tomorrow, Susan.
Huh?
I thought we might have a picnic tomorrow. Invite everybody to spend the night at the Everglades.
Invite everybody. Order everybody, you mean, and make them sleep in tents. Who wants to sleep in tents when they got a nice room of their own, with their own bath, where they know where everything is?
Thought we might have a picnic tomorrow, Susan.
You never give me anything I really care about.